मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, कशा आहात सगळे? टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी सायन्स 1 चॅप्टर नंबर 4 इफेक्ट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. First of all, we just recall what is an electrical conductor and insulator. Electrical conductor are materials that allow electric current to flow through, and an insulator is what makes electricity from not flowing through. When dealing with thermal energy, insulators do not allow for the transfer of heat from one object to the next. Examples of insulators are cotton, paper, plastic, glass, rubber, air, etc. In this picture, you can see some conductors and insulators of electricity. We have learnt in earlier standards about static electricity. We performed various experiments regarding negatively and positively charged objects. The reason behind the object becoming positively and negatively charged is the transfer of negatively charged particles from one object to another object. In previous standard, we also studied about electric current. In this chapter, we will study about an electric current flowing through a conducting wire, an electric current flowing through a resistor, electromagnetic induction, electric motor and generator. Observe the figures. What do you observe in the following figures? Which effects of electric current do you find? Energy transfer in an electric circuit. Try this. Materials, connecting wires, electric cells, voltmeter, ammeter, plug key and resistance. Connect the circuit as shown in the figure. After taking the components with proper values, measure the current I. Also measure the potential difference VAB between the two ends of the resistance. The potential at A is higher than the potential at B, as the point A is connected to the positive electrode of the cell and the point B on the negative electrode of the cell. If a charge Q flows from A to B, work VABQ has been done on Q while going from A to B. From where does the energy come to do this work? The source of energy is the cell. The cell gives this energy through the charge Q to the resistance where work VABQ is performed. If the charge Q flows from A to B in time t, that is, the work is performed in time t, then during that time the energy VABQ is given to the resistor. What happens to this energy? This energy is received by the resistor and is converted into heat energy. The temperature of the resistor is increased. बघा मैत्रिणींनो, ज्या वेळेला ए आणि बी या पॉईंट्समधून ज्या वेळेला क्यू हा चार्ज वाहतो त्यावेळेला वर्क VABQ हॅज बीन डन, काहीतरी कार्य होतं आणि हे कार्य होण्यासाठी एनर्जी कुठून मिळते? तर ही एनर्जी आपल्याला सेलकडून मिळते. त्यानंतर काय होतं? ही एनर्जी रेजिस्टरकडून रिसीव केली जाते आणि त्याच्यानंतर हीट एनर्जीमध्ये रूपांतर केलं जातं आणि रेजिस्टरचं टेम्परेचर वाढतं. If in the circuit the resistor is replaced by a motor, in which form will the energy given by the cell get transformed into? P is equal to electrical power is equal to energy upon time required, which is equal to VABQ upon time is equal to VAB into I, since Q upon T is equal to I. The source of energy the cell gives in time T, the energy P into T to the resistor. If I is the current flowing continuously through the circuit, the heat produced in the resistor in time t will be H is equal to P into T is equal to VAB into I into T. According to Ohm's law, VAB is equal to I into R. आपल्याला माहिती आहे Ohm's law काय आहे? V is equal to IR, पण इथे V काय आहे? VAB. Therefore VAB is equal to I into R. H is equal to V square AB into T upon R. Similarly, H is equal to I into R into T, that is equal to I square RT. H is equal to I square RT is called Joule's law of heating. H is equal to I square RT हे मिळाल्यानंतर याला म्हणतात Joule's law of heating. Now unit of electrical power. P is equal to VAB into I. V चा unit आहे volt आणि I चा आहे ampere. Therefore 1 volt into 1 ampere is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb into 1 coulomb upon 1 second. 1 coulomb gets cancelled. We get 1 joule upon second. That is equal to W, which is equal to watt. Thus the unit of electrical power is 1 watt. Now we have see heating effect of electric current. When a resistor is connected in an electrical circuit, heat is produced in it due to the current. This is known as the heating effect of current. Equipment such as water boiler, electrical cooker, electrical bulb make use of the heating effect of electric current. Electrical conductors having higher resistivity are used here. For example, a coil made up of an alloy nichrome is used in the electrical heater cooker as a resistor, while a tungsten wire is used in an electric bulb. Because of the current, this wire gets heated to nearly 3400 degrees Celsius and emits light. The hot wire also radiates heat to a certain extent. Several times we hear or read about a building catching fire due to short circuit. Sometimes if we switch on an equipment in our house, the electrical fuse wire melts and the electric supply shuts down. Let us discuss about the cause briefly. The home electrical connection consists of live, neutral and earth wires. The live and the neutral wires have potential difference of 220 volt. The earth is connected to ground. Due to fault in the equipment or if the plastic coating on the live and the neutral wires gives away, the two wires come in contact with each other and a large current flows through producing heat. If any inflammable materials such as wood, cloth, plastic, etc. exist around that place, it can catch fire. Therefore, a fuse wire is used as a precautionary measure. We have learnt about fuse wire in the previous standard. As soon as high current flows in a circuit, the fuse wire melts and breaks the circuit and any mishap is avoided. नुकतंच काही महिन्यांपूर्वी दिल्ली येथील एम्स येथे शॉर्ट सर्किटमुळे आग लागली होती आणि बघा तुम्हाला चित्रात दिसतंय की शॉर्ट सर्किटमुळे बिल्डिंगना आग लागते. Many times, particularly in the summer season, huge electrical power is used in the evenings due to home lighting, fans, air conditioners, use of electricity in shops, etc. As a result, excessive current is drawn from the transformer supplying the electricity, and if the capacity of the transformer is insufficient, its fuse wire melts and the supply gets shut down. Such events occur due to overloading. In this picture, you can see the difference between short circuit and overloading. आज इथेच थांबूया. उद्याच्या तासाला आपण बघूया मॅग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. टिल देन, बाय.